Inside this protest where they happen for South Africa, this Jacob Zuma protest where people they talk about. Now there another one don't go happen. We gotta say they don't arrest, make I never talk say arrest. They catch 2 policemen, then this one said they go they hustle something inside that place. Hey, this one no surprise now. Police people say go they thief people things. Inside this riot where people say that they riot, always some people come there and say nah thief, they won't go the thief. Now there police don't come turn thief. Funny enough, what is surprise? Then this police, they don't even reason and say, okay, if we won't go thief, make we go undercover. But make we even pull our clothes, change our dressing so that people don't go know us. They wear the uniform, wear the jacket, go there, say they won't go the thief. Now there people catch them. If on our cities where then these people don't carry, boots don't, inside motor self don't. I beg my people, make now follow me watch.
Guys, you gotta sleep. We're gonna upload this thing. It's simple. Okay.
Make it famous, please. No, take a picture of this guy. No.
Policeman, yeah?
Also
looting.
Policeman, yeah?
There's a policeman in uniform. In uniform looting. How beautiful. Here's his vehicle. Please look. He is looting. This is our SAPS. This is our SAPS, guys.
Oh, I don't say Abi. South African people, in fact, I don't know the kind of legend who na be for thief. It be like say this thing, they run through on a blood. Person was supposed go they arrest people where they thief. Now on a go they say now won't go they arrest people where they thief, they loot things. Now on a can't get moral. Gather moral, go there say now go they thief. And I don't go surprised say this man now where they catch. I don't go surprised say this man India among people where they arrest people. I don't go surprised say don't carry people put inside prison because of say then these people can't thief. But I beg this one is a big shame on top of South African people. Big shame because they're supposed to award you now. Trophy of thief people. In fact, they're supposed to give that award. Because you can't be like say this thing I don't too much. Ordinary riot when I want on, and I don't scatter everything. If they talk say this one now, make they look at now. This matter, if he even just go die for there. Because they want to hide this policeman face. They don't want me this policeman come, but I like as then these people go face him. Go attack him. But in fact, I gather this man caught. I like as the man stay still. Because if say in Nigeria, you catch police where they thief. You can't go face and say, oh guy, you thief, you even draw in cloth. The thief even turn fight. If you even turn wild, you say this police go carry gun, begin shoot everybody. But when I see South police, the man not even too worry. And just sit down, just stand there, they follow them, they talk. But I beg this thing where you do, bros, you know good. Make we listen now, you know good at all. On they complain, say people they loot, they deploy on this same police and army, they deploy on say, make on go arrest people. And I'm sure saying go down, they even the thief since. You go down, they carry people things since now because they know see them. This one now where they can't see them now, it can't be like saying, just they do. It be like saying the whole of African police, it be like say something they worry them. Make we just conclude, say African police, they get problem. This smart way be say suppose you not even suppose they say they go hustle market. But government say okay maybe sack myself in don't broke maybe in they hungry. Maybe all this one self join I make myself come say but you know before I would make himself go hustle something. But I beg okay this one no good. Citizens they do and they complain say no good. How much more? Best way they bring law emphasizers, officer. You can't wear uniform. You don't even respect your uniform. So okay, I'll be police officer. Make a pull and hide for some. You can't still wear and go do this thing. I beg this one. In fact, it's too bad. South African people are ashamed for now. I hear this one, my people. I can't make a bring and come, making a service now. Yeah, what they happen inside South Africa. Anything I feel, make sure don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make sure don't forget to like and also share this video. I'll go see you now for our next video. Wahala just boss inside Ladepo market. This market, what we know say Nigeria, they say all this like car things and the rest. We gotta say some military men and traders and union people for that place. Now there wahala boss between them. We gotta say this military man go there say he go buy some spare parts. And no come no buy the spare parts, no work, we don't buy and since. Later now he come back say he won't come return the thing. He bless na there. Arguments come boss so wahala come. Before we go see, shooting don't start to the guy. Wahala don't start. And we gotta say, now the union people first. And these traders, now begin first beat this military man. Before himself come go gather in boys, come. They can't start to destroy this. If na see wahala, if na see shooting of gun, my people beg, make na follow me watch.
As you can see, this is Ladepo. The the Navy people, they are here disturbing us because of fist attack. They have been shooting, they have gone through people down. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm going to let it go. Yeah, I'm going to let it go. I know. You let it go. I told you also. On a hot. I am a package. Come on, glass in my door. Hey!
I beg all this one on top waiting. See, person we don't die now. I saw saying a stray bullets. I go meet them. Person we don't know anything. We don't even know head and tail of this whole spare parts matter now. Go come there, come die inside this whole matter. Well, on top of this whole matter, what they yarn on top this lady, oh, now yeah, this Air Force people. They talk say, in fact, it's what them they do. They don't do anything wrong. Say, in fact, they only act professionally. Say they answer to distress call. Now they hear me. Say as them they go there, they hear say fights they happen for there. Now there them they can't carry themselves go there before they go see them. These traders don't carry stone. Begin the stone. Say even their own officials they gather. I beg which story we won't believe. Who we won't believe for this kind of story now? But on top all me I won't talk say. So they shoot on a enter market. Wetin na carry gun go? Shebi na market na won't go buy. Wetin na come carry gun go there for say na won't go shoot person. This whole shooting now, you no even reach the top of anything. Something will be saying I go call the head of this market person, make it help them settle the thing. Follow them talk for the language where they understand. Be na Igbo, be na with Igbo. Follow them talk on no reason all those ones. Now gone, now come be the next one. Now come start to the shoot. And I just say now because the time where these military people go shoot inside like it, because they don't punish them. Now make the sabi misbehave. Any small thing they go to misbehave, forgetting say they wear military uniform. So because of that one they go to get more. I beg what they work in this our military people. Oh now don't they too much and people don't even complain. Small thing I don't carry person, I don't kill them. This place no be war zone. Ladipo market no be Boko Haram zone. So if say na no say fight the hungry in a photo students make they deploy na carry na go Boko Haram side make na go dey fight for there. No be say na come enter Lagos. Say na there na go dey fight. Make na dey chill all this military make na dey chill because now it can't be like say I don't know be na the Igbo way that they smoke inside camp na dey affect on. Because now the way na they misbehave they kill people. It don't they raise alarm. It be like say now all the military people they supposed go do on a check up. Check what they really worry on to know say okay on a day fine being and no day fine. Because this matter now it don't do too much. But my people this whole matter I hope say the death no go even pass 2 or 3. Because one they see that just one, but I hear say more than people even die. There plenty, but I hope say no go too much. Because you know our content now wahala will start because of all this one. Make no come be like say they try pursue Igbo people because you know say this like for market now Igbo people food there. And all these military people they be house make no come be like say now because of one and tribalistic war now they won't come start to go. But my people beg I hear this one I can't make I bring and come making a service now here waiting they happen. Anything in a film make no forget to comment for the comment section. Then make no forget to like and share this video. I go see you now for the next video.